Machiegni kendo wadhi nyime yudo weche mag manyien mag ng'end weche. Wayudo kanyo ni tend kaunti mano ma Siaya osingo mano mar biro siro wechego mago mag pur kaachiel kod pith moloyo to e kind rowere e kaunti mano ma Siaya. Magi weche mabende ne owachi kod gavana mano ma kaunti ma Siaya James Orengo, mabende ne owacho ni gichano mano mar neno ni wechego mago mag pur kaachiel kod uchumi ma kaunti ma Siaya obi osire yono makare. Weche maket kod magi ne osira kod jogo kata jokanyono mago mabende nitiere e sekta no mano mar pur kod pith mawuok e kaunti ma Siaya.
Agriculture is a backbone of our economy, not just in Siaya, but in the entire republic. Yes. In fact, in Siaya, we are struggling to have a transformation in agriculture because for many years, and even now, we are still largely a peasant economy. All of agriculture essentially is for subsistence. We are working hard to change this situation, and I think with the inauguration of Siaya, this is a show or an evidence that we are changing to an agricultural industrial county. There are many sugar mills coming, which are in the offing. In our current budget and the subsequent budget, the next financial year, we hope you are going to work very hard to start the modern cotton industry. So we will continue to work hard because agriculture is a pillar. We have established community-driven committees across all the 30 wards. We've got 30 circles, as we've been told, and 13, for purposes of today, 13 farmer-producer organizations who have been onboarded to strengthen farmer institutions and to improve market coordination. Today, we are going to have a presentation of more than 25 million shillings. The groups who are here, some already have that money in their bank accounts. We have established over 120 farmer field school demonstration sites, equipping farmers with practical knowledge in climate-smart agriculture.
Today, we celebrate NAV-CDP, which is a World Bank-funded grant project, a partnership between us national and the county. But we understand that the foundation by which we are building on is what this administration has done. Case in point, today we are very proud of Siaya rice mill, and we know that the amount of money that NAV-CDP is going to put there would not have happened if it wasn't for the for the investment that the county during this administration has done.